Hello everyone, this is Kevin with CS50 Final Project. The application created is a suppliers application that deals with the RFQ supply process as used in Kenya. Simply, the process involves awarding, filling and submitting of the RFQ, issuing of the local purchase order by the client to the supplier upon winning of the tender, buying and delivering of the products, and finally, payment for the goods supplied. Hence, the app's main objective is proper record keeping and also generating the RFQ supporting documents. The main functionality of the application is located within the job details page, with the rest of the pages used for collecting supporting data. Let's start with the login and registration page. For the login page, we can toggle between the login and the logout page, respectively. Next, the products page. On the page, a user is able to view a table of product items, search the product table, and also add a new product to the table. Clicking on a product, we are able to navigate to the product details page, showcasing the product details, where a user is able to edit or delete the product or add a new supplier price to the product. On the suppliers page, we are able to view suppliers in the directory, and also we are able to add a new supplier. Navigating to the suppliers details page, a user is presented with the suppliers details, personnel table, and products linked to the suppliers. For the clients page, we are able to view the clients, i.e. the buyers, in the company's directory. Navigating to the clients details page, a user is presented with the clients details, personnel table, and the jobs table, listing the jobs linked to the client. Finally, on the jobs page, a user is presented with a table of jobs, showcasing the job's current status. From the page, a user can search in between the listed jobs and also create a new job item. Navigating to the job details, note, it is the only page that requires a user to be logged in. From the page, we are presented with the job details, drop-down menu to change the status, a list of different links generated depending on the current status of the job, a table of supply items with the option to add items to the table. Note, the price listed in the suppliers table is the selling price for the product, which is different from the price listed in the products table. Try the functionality of the links. Check analysis, which prints an Excel or a CSV file. Request invoice. This sends an email to the suppliers requesting for a quotation of the current prices of the objects. The email is sent to the development server as shown. Print RFQ. This prints a PDF copy of the supplies listed, and the printed document is to be sent to the client physically. Print delivery and the invoice. This is printed upon supply of the goods required, and a physical copy is sent to the client. Print receipt. This prints a PDF copy of the receipt and which is required to be sent to the client. With that, we conclude the main functionality of the project. As for the requirements of the project utilizes several models as shown. The application is mobile responsive as indicated. The README file is included in the directory containing all the requested requirements. That's all folks, and thanks for listening.